Rush fam, welcome back to the channel. You know it's Rush, the Discovery Boss. So we're here with another update out by the Kingston 876 commercial development right on Ferry, which is also popularly known as Mandela Highway. Work out here is moving super fast. I did a video probably like a week or two ago. Came back today, lots of stuff, lots of progress, and a lot more have happened since. Even the land that they're clearing, probably they're gonna build a warehouse, but you know they started putting up the perimeter wall, so a lot is happening. There's also a development beside Nestle, adjacent to Nestle. Seems like a warehouse, could be a call center. If you guys have more information, let me know. And we also spot some of the futuristic looking container homes over by where the Chinese live, because most of these development is being done by the Chinese, so they live close by. But I think I see 4 futuristic container type homes. Probably they're planning to set them up and, I don't know, get buyers, get persons who are interested to buy. Probably they're setting them up as model homes, model offices, I don't know. You guys will see some shots of that as well. Probably you have already seen shots of that. So yeah. So that's basically what's happening. I'm gonna jump in the video, mainly drone. The development beside Nestle, there's no Chinese working on it, which is not the norm. Almost every development is a Chinese contractor, but not the one beside Nestle. So just a quick update for you guys, just showing you what's happening in the area and just giving you guys some drone footage of the area as well. So remember to like, comment, share. Remember I'm a licensed realtor as well with Keller Williams Jamaica. So if you have a property selling, if you know somebody's selling, or if you're buying, renting, give me a call, give me a buzz, so I can help you to find that property or to sell that property. Also subscribe to my real estate channel. It's Jamaica Properties for Sale. The link will be in the comments, pinned comments. That channel will have properties for sale only, no reviews, just properties for sale. So go over, subscribe, videos will be coming, properties will be coming. Thanks for the support. Thanks for clicking on this video. Remember to like, comment, and share. And let's check out some more of the development out here by Ferry. Lots of money being spent, millions of millions, hundreds of millions. So let's follow the development. Let's track it, and let's, you know, we'll be able to see from where it's coming from until all of this area is fully developed. So thanks for watching, guys.